Hello, welcome back. It's time for another Melee Air Raid. This time, let's go change Grass Climbers to Peach. I want to beat you up so bad. 5 minutes. Deirdre Show. Let's go 2.0. Yes, I am feeling brave and I am feeling confident. Since I am the Air Raid Master, I will go. Let's go. Fountain Dreams! Ah, Fountain Dreams. No! No, it's double damage. Okay. No! No, I need a Warp Star! Ah. Oh, really? Ow. Oh, really? Oh, Rock of Death. Rock of Death. Warp Star. Oh, really? Oh, really? That was mine. Oh! One hit kill with a Warp Star. No. My Warp Stars. Little thief. Oh, come on. Screw you. Screw you, stupid dynamite box. What? Your streak's ending. Your kill streak just got ended permanently. Oh, really? I know it may look like I made a bad choice, but making it double. But trust me, I got this. Really? Oh, screw you. You knew you were gonna lose that one. Oh, suicide! Suicide kill! Yay! Yeah! Back up! The way it should be. Ow! Oh, screw you! Screw you with your stupid umbrella! Oh! 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 Screw you! Oh! Ow! Ow! No! No! Screw you! The service has got -10! Oh! Oh! Ow! Ugh! Almost had pose breaker there. Come on, man. Come on, screw you. Ah! Ah! No! 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 Crap! Sarah says -12. Oh! Oh! Yeah. No. Rock of Death. Oh. What? No way, man. Hey, bro. Ah! No! No! I'm the master of air raids. You can't beat me. You can't beat me at this air raid game. Early air raid. No! Still winning. Oh! Oh, crap. I usually face these guys on Kirby. Triple kill. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sorry. Everyone be quiet. Shut up. Oh, triple kill. Oh, one kill. Oh! Oh, fail. Oh, whoa. Ow. You fail. Oh, whoa. I need to go. Come on, come on. Yes, it counted. Still win. Mofo. Mofo. 36 KOs. Wow. Notice that. That was a lot more. 14. 2 self-destructs. Ah. Oh. Screw you, stupid box. Eagle. Instant poser. Morphe, punching bag, in the fray, star KO, cheap KO, time to KO, special KO, adventure KO, double KO, triple KO, first to fall. Ah, quitter. How am I a quitter? I'm not a quitter. It's the Warp Star. World Traveler, items of the strut. Triple items. Warp Star KO, 29,000. First place, 1,000. KO artist, 3,000. Offensive master, 1,000 KOs. 18,000. False, negative 7,000. Control, self-destructs. Nice, 1,000. Ah, dang. It got me. Thank you very much. This has been Air Raid Pwnage at Fatima James. Bye-bye.